Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to add some cool reverb effects to your audio in CapCut? Stick with me and I will show you how to do it step by step. The first step is to open the CapCut app. Launch the CapCut on your iPhone and open a project. Import the video or audio clip you want to edit. The next step is to select the audio track. Tap on the audio waveform and add audio from the audio menu. You can either extract, do a voiceover or import audios. For this video, I'll be extracting the audio. The next step is to access audio effects. Tap on the audio track to select it and choose Effects from the toolbar. The next step is to choose Reverb from Effects. Scroll through the option and select Reverb. You will see presets like Studio, Concert or Echo. You can adjust the reverb setting. Customize the effect by dragging the slider to control intensity, delay and more. Preview the changes by tapping on the play button. Once you're satisfied, tap on the check mark to apply the effect. Export your project by tapping Export at the right top corner of the screen. And that's how you add reverb in CapCut. Have fun experimenting with audio effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.